Good morning children and welcome to another session of English Grammar class 5. Let us open up the book to chapter number 5. Today we will begin a new chapter which is nouns and it is on page number 18. Okay, so let us start reading from here. We know that nouns are the names of things, persons, places, animals and even ideas. For example, girl, boy, Tarun, Arun, table, chair. So we have already learnt about nouns in the previous chapter, parts of speech. I hope you remember it. Here in parts of speech, I taught you what is a noun. A noun names a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. So in this chapter, today we will study the kinds of nouns. Nouns are of different kinds. Common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns and collective nouns. First look at common and proper nouns. Read these sentences. The boy lives in a city. Vishal lives in Hyderabad. In sentence 1, boy and city. In sentence 1, boy, this word and city, this word are common nouns because they give common names to a person and a place. Here, the noun boy and city are called common nouns because it refers to any city or any boy. Any city or boy. We do not know the name. Okay? So that is why it is called a common noun. In sentence 2, Vishal and Hyderabad. Vishal and Hyderabad are common proper nouns because they give a special name to a person and a place. In this sentence you can see the name of this boy is Vishal and the name of the place, city, is Hyderabad. So this is called proper nouns. These are proper nouns because they are a particular name of a person and a place. Whereas here in the first sentence, boy and city refers to any boy and city of the world. So that is why it is a common noun because it is a general name, boy and city. It means any boy or any city. Alright. So now let us look at this definition of common and proper nouns. Common nouns give common names to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind. Examples: boy, city, girl and country. Proper nouns give special names to a particular person, animal, place or thing. Examples: Vishal, Delhi, Suman and India. So from common nouns we understand that these are names given to persons, places, animals, places or things. Whereas proper nouns are specific names given to a particular person, particular animal, particular place or particular thing. Let us try to understand it more from here. Common nouns. Common nouns are common names given to people, places, animals or things of the same category or of the same kind. These are common nouns. For example, let us take an example of people. A people can be a girl or a boy, man or woman. If a name is not given, it is a common noun. Alright, it is a general name. Girl, boy, man, woman, they are general names. Okay, they are common names. It can be any girl, any boy, any man or any woman. We don't know. So that is why it is called common nouns. Now if we look at an example of place. An example of place can be park, city or garden. Here we do not know the name. It is a common or a general name. It can be any park of the world, any city or any garden. Now, take for an example the common noun for animal. The common noun is, the example for common noun animal is dog or cat or lion or monkey. Okay? If we do not give any particular name to this dog, it is still a common noun. It is a general name. Monkey can be any monkey, dog can be any dog, or cat can be any cat. Alright? Now, for thing. For thing you can take for an example a pen, pencil, table or mat. Okay, it can be any pen. We are not specifying the name or the brand or the company of this pen or the pencil or any particular table. We are not giving any name. When we do not give any particular name to something, that is a common noun. Now look at the proper nouns here. Proper nouns are special names given to a particular people, places, animals or things. These are special names or specific names. Specific names. Okay? For example, if we give a name to a person, suppose take for an example MS Dhoni. It is the name of a cricketer. So it is a proper noun because it is a name of a person. Alright? Even your name is a proper noun, and proper nouns are always written in capital letter. Now, for place, I have written Ranchi. Okay? Ranchi, Patna, Delhi, Kolkata, all these are names of a particular place. So that is why it is a proper noun. For example, here we wrote park, na? For common noun, park we have written. Common noun, for common noun, if we take this place, okay, park is also a place. But this park is a common noun. But when we give a name to it, for example, Central Park, we give a name to it, it becomes a proper noun. So have you understood this part? I hope you have understood. Okay. Now, the proper noun for an animal. Here I have written Tommy for the name of the dog. Okay. So now it has become a proper noun. If I write dog, it will be a common noun because there is no name in it. But when I specify a name like Tommy or any other name that we will give to a pet, our pet dogs or cats, those names they come under proper nouns. Now, for things, I have written Reynolds pen. I am specifying a particular brand name here. Reynolds is a company that makes pen. Okay, so here I have specified the name of the pen, so it has become a proper noun. But if I would have written pen, only pen, then it would have become a common noun. So I hope you have you have understood this. There is a very little difference between common noun and proper nouns. Common nouns are common names given to people, places, animals or things. Whereas proper nouns are special names given to a particular people, places, animal or things. Okay. So this is the difference. Alright, I hope you have understood. And if you have any problem, if you face any problem or need any help, you can put up your questions. It will be clarified. Okay. So now let us move further. Here there are two columns. One is of common nouns on the left hand side and proper nouns on the right hand side. Let us read. Common noun. Here, country is a common noun because it refers to any country of the world. Okay. But proper noun is India. India is a proper noun because it is the name of a country. It can also be Pakistan. It can also be any other country. Okay. Now, common noun, boy. Boy refers to any boy of the world. But when we give a name to it like Vishal or Amit or any name like this, it becomes a proper noun. Girl is a common noun, it refers to any girl. But when we give a name to it like Richa, Shikha, any name like this, okay, you can write your name also and it is a proper noun. But proper nouns are always written in capital letter. River. Now river can be any river in the world. We do not know which river. Here the name is given. It is the name is given Ganges or Yamuna or Godavari, anything. Alright. So now it has become a proper noun. This is a proper noun because it refers to a particular river. The name of the river is given. So it is a proper noun and it should be written in capital. Month. Month refers to any month of the year. But when we write the name of a particular month, for example, January, February, March, okay, we are specifying the name of the month, okay, and when we specify the name, it becomes a proper noun and it is always written in capital letter. Note that proper nouns begin with capital letters. This you have to remember always, okay. So look at this girl. I am a girl. Look at this girl on the right. I am Richa. So this girl, this is a common noun. This is a common noun because it refers to any girl. While this is a proper noun because here a specific name has been provided. Okay. So whenever you find a specific name given to a particular person, animal, place or thing, it becomes a proper noun. Whereas whenever there is a common name given to person, animals, places or things, any common noun or common names or general name, then it comes under common nouns. So this part is complete. I hope you have understood. Alright. Let us move to the exercise. If we will do it, we will understand more. Exercise A. Circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns. Mr. Verma is a doctor in this hospital. So we have to underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. Here Mr. Verma is a proper noun because it is the name of a person. So I have underlined it. Doctor refers to any doctor. Hospital can be any hospital in the world. So these are common nouns and so I have circled it. Next, we always travel by the Air India. Now Air India is the name of an airlines, a name of a flight, airline. So it is a proper noun, so we have to underline it. Proper nouns are always written in capital letter. That is one indication that you can get that hint. If it is a proper noun, it will always be written in capital letter. Next, Vidhi wants to be an actress when she grows up. Vidhi is the name of a girl. So this is a proper noun. Underline it. Actress refers to any actress in the world. We do not know which actress. So we have circled it. It's a common noun. Next, October is the month after September. Now October is a proper noun because it is the name of the month. We have specified a name. September is also the name of a month. So these are proper nouns. Underline it. Month refers to any month of the year. So circle it. It is a common noun. Next, the Red Fort is a monument. Now Red Fort is the name of a particular monument. Okay, it is a special name. So this is a proper noun. Underline it. Whereas monument refers to any monument of the world. It can be any monument of the world. So this is a common noun. We have circled it. Next, we will go to Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. Now Delhi is the name of a city, of a place. So this has to be underlined. It's a proper noun. Now Rajdhani Express is the name of a railway. It's a name of a train. So this is a proper noun. We have underlined it. This is also a proper noun. Both are proper nouns. And these are always written in capital letter. Next, Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar is the name of a very famous cricketer. And so we have to underline it. It is a proper noun. Whereas cricketer refers to any cricketer. It can be any cricketer of the world. So it is a common noun. We have circled it. Next, Jyoti gave the book Oliver Twist to her classmate. Jyoti is a proper noun because it is the name of a girl, and so we have underlined it. Book refers to any book of the world. We do not know which book, so book has to be circled. Oliver Twist, this is the name of a particular book. Okay, so we have underlined it and it is written in capital letter also. Classmate is also a common noun because it refers to any classmate. Any classmate. We do not know which classmate. Next, Rajiv and Somnath are friends. Rajiv and Somnath. It is the name of two persons. Okay, two people. So these have to be underlined. These are proper nouns. While friends is a common noun because it refers to any friend. Okay. Next one. Arun will visit Kolkata in October. Arun is a proper noun. Kolkata is a proper noun. October is also a proper noun. This is the name of a person. This is the name of a place, and this is the name of a particular month. Okay. So I have done this exercise for you. You will also find this exercise in the dashboard. You can access it and write all the answers in your English 1 classwork copy as your homework and also learn it. Okay. Now let us move to the next exercise, which is match the common nouns with groups of proper nouns. You have to match these common nouns and proper nouns. Rivers. Now look carefully. Can you find the names of rivers in this column of proper nouns? Here it is: Ganges, Yamuna, Godavari. So this comes under the category of rivers. Okay, this river is a common noun, whereas Ganges, Yamuna and Godavari are the names of a particular river. Ganges is a name of a particular river. Yamuna is also a name of a particular river, and Godavari is also a name of a particular river. So this common noun refers to this proper noun. Alright. Rivers, Ganges, Yamuna, Godavari. Girls, it should be the name of girls. Find the name of girls. Where is it? Mona, Madhu, Vidhi. So this will be matched to girls. Subjects, name of the subjects: English, Science, Maths. It has to be matched together. Trains, the names of trains: Rajdhani Express, Shatabdi Express. Match these. Alright. Cricket players, this is also very easy: Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virendra Sehwag. This has to be matched. Okay. Months, very easy: September, June, December. These are the names of the months, so this has to be matched. Boys, the name of boys: Rohan, Jeet, Vijay, Arun. Match these because these are the names of a particular boys. These are the names of particular boys. Okay. So I hope you have understood. We have matched the common nouns with its equal proper nouns. Okay. So if you have any doubt till here, till this portion, you can ask me. Alright, and it will be clear to you. Now let us look at this value corner. We all have names. An old man needs your help to cross the road. He doesn't know your name and calls you Chotu. Okay, will you listen to him or ignore him? Now try to think about it. This value corner is required for us to think within ourselves. Okay, what we should be doing in this condition, in this situation. We all have been given some names now by our parents, but when we find someone needs help, and if the person doesn't know your name and he calls you Chotu, will you listen or not? Yes, of course you should listen. Na? If an old person, an elderly man needs your help, you should listen. You should not ignore him. You should listen to him and also help him. Okay. So we get some moral lessons from these value corners. So we must not leave this part. We must also cover this part. It is a very reflective corner. We should always go through this. Alright. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood. Okay. So these are your homeworks. You have to do it in your English 1 classwork copy. Alright. And also learn it. Alright, till we meet in the next part of this video, you keep learning, keep revising and stay safe. Thank you.